How to send Amazon package to a different country. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send Amazon package to a different country. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to amazon.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on the account and list option. Here you will find different options. Scroll down and find ordering and shopping preferences. Now, in this section, you want to click on your addresses. All of your saved address will be displayed over here. So as you can see, the current country I have here is United States. If you want to send the package to a different country, click on the add address option. Now, the first option is country/region. Click on this drop down menu. You will find different country options over here. So go ahead and click on the country that you want to send the Amazon package to. I'm just going to select Australia over here. Now you want to enter the address, enter full name, then enter your phone number. Now enter postcode, then select city and suburb, then enter the state. After entering all of these details, you want to click on the add address option at the bottom. Now you simply want to place the order and make sure that you select this address when you place that order. And in this way, you can send Amazon package to a different country. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.